Do you know that the foods you're eating right now could be the reason behind your sluggishness, weight gain, and even chronic diseases? It's time to wake up and realize the truth about our modern diet. In this video, we'll reveal the shocking reality of how processed and artificial foods are wreaking havoc on our health. But fear not, because we'll also introduce you to the Paleo diet, a way of eating that's been around for thousands of years and has helped people transform their health and well-being. So, brace yourself for some eye-opening revelations, because what you're about to learn might just change your life. The Paleo diet, also known as the caveman diet, is a dietary approach based on the premise that our ancestors from the Paleolithic era, about 2.5 million to 10,000 years ago, ate a certain way that is optimal for human health. The diet consists of foods that were available to our hunter-gatherer ancestors, including meat, fish, poultry, eggs, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. It excludes foods that were not commonly consumed during the Paleolithic era, such as grains, legumes, dairy, processed foods, and refined sugars. The Paleo diet is based on the idea that the human body is genetically adapted to eat the same foods that our ancestors did. Proponents of the diet argue that the modern diet, which is high in processed foods and refined sugars, is responsible for the high rates of chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. The Paleo diet emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods and encourages the consumption of healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. It also promotes grass-fed and pasture-raised animal products and encourages the avoidance of industrial seed oils and refined sugars. The diet is often accompanied by a focus on physical activity and lifestyle factors, such as stress reduction and adequate sleep. Despite the controversy surrounding the Paleo diet, it has inspired many people to adopt a healthier lifestyle and pay more attention to the quality of their food choices. It continues to be a popular dietary approach for those seeking to improve their health and well-being. There are many claimed benefits of following a Paleo diet, some of which include improved weight loss, better blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, improved gut health, increased nutrient intake, better energy levels, reduced risk of chronic diseases. On the Paleo diet, you are encouraged to eat a variety of whole, unprocessed foods that were commonly consumed by our hunter-gatherer ancestors. Here are some foods that are allowed on the Paleo diet. Foods to eat: meat, grass-fed, pasture-raised. Fish and seafood. Poultry, chicken, turkey, duck, etc. Eggs. Vegetables, especially non-starchy ones like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, etc. Fruits, especially low-sugar options like berries. Nuts and seeds, almonds, cashews, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, etc. Healthy fats, olive oil, coconut oil, avocado, etc. Herbs and spices. Here are some foods that are generally avoided or limited on the Paleo diet: grains, wheat, rice, corn, etc. Legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, etc. Dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt, etc. Processed foods, chips, cookies, candies, etc. Refined sugars and sweeteners, soda, table sugar, high fructose corn syrup, etc. Industrial seed oils, soybean oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, etc. Artificial additives and preservatives. Transitioning to a Paleo diet can be a gradual process, especially if you are used to consuming a diet high in processed foods and refined sugars. Here are some tips to help make the transition to a Paleo diet smoother. 1. Educate yourself. Before starting a Paleo diet, it's important to understand what foods are allowed and what foods are not allowed. Research recipes and meal plans to get an idea of what you can eat on a Paleo diet. 2. Start slow. Don't try to make all the changes at once. Instead, start by gradually eliminating processed foods, refined sugars, and grains from your diet. 3. Make substitutions. Replace processed foods with whole, nutrient-dense foods. For example, swap out your morning cereal for a breakfast of eggs and vegetables. 4. Focus on protein in vegetables. Make sure to include plenty of protein and non-starchy vegetables in your meals. These foods will help keep you full and satisfied. 5. Experiment with new recipes. Look for paleo-friendly recipes that sound appealing to you and try them out. This can help keep your meals interesting and prevent boredom with the diet. 6. Be prepared. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to make sure you have plenty of paleo-friendly options on hand. This can help prevent the temptation to reach for processed foods when you're hungry and short on time. 7. Don't be too hard on yourself. Remember that transitioning to a new diet can be challenging, and it's okay to slip up occasionally. Just focus on making progress, not perfection. There are many success stories and real-life examples of individuals who have adopted a paleo diet and experienced significant improvements in their health and well-being. Here are a few examples. 1. Rob Wolf. Rob Wolf is a former research biochemist and the author of the New York Times best-selling book, The Paleo Solution. He adopted a paleo diet after years of struggling with digestive issues and autoimmune problems. Since adopting a paleo diet, he has reported significant improvements in his health, including improved digestion and energy levels. 2. Sarah Fragoso. Sarah Fragoso is a coach, author, and blogger who has followed a paleo diet for over a decade. She initially adopted a paleo diet to address her own health issues, including thyroid problems and chronic fatigue. Since then, she has become a strong advocate for the paleo diet and has helped many others adopt this way of eating to improve their health. 3. Dr. Terry Wahls. Dr. Terry Wahls is a clinical professor of medicine who was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, MS, in 2000. She adopted a paleo diet and lifestyle to help manage her symptoms, and has since experienced significant improvements in her health. She has written a book and developed a program based on her experience, called the Wahls Protocol, to help others with MS and other autoimmune conditions. 4. Melissa Hartwick Urban. Melissa Hartwick Urban is the co-founder of the Whole30 program, which is based on the principles of a paleo diet. She has helped thousands of people improve their health and well-being by adopting a paleo-style approach to eating, which emphasizes whole, nutrient-dense foods and eliminates processed foods and other potential sources of inflammation. In conclusion, the paleo diet is a way of eating that emphasizes whole, nutrient-dense foods and eliminates processed foods and other potential sources of inflammation. While it may not be the right fit for everyone, many people have found that adopting a paleo diet can lead to significant improvements in their health and well-being. Whether you're looking to improve your energy levels, manage a chronic condition, or simply feel your best, the paleo diet may be worth exploring. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.